Alright, y'all, good morning. 4:30 in the morning. We got a solid 3 hours of sleep? 4 hours of sleep, something like that. About to hit the road and complete our journey home. Here we go. Alright, y'all, I am still wearing the same clothes that I came into town with this morning. We rolled up here, what time did we get here, Crystal? 7 o'clock. 7:15. So we got a good 4 hours of sleep last night. 3 or 4 hours of sleep last night. Got here, got our employees situated. They're working on the bricks right now. I'm trying to get caught up on everything and help them with the bricks. I'm leaving for the Metabolic Health Summit later this week. On Wednesday, I'm flying out for that. So it's just going to be bam, 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 conference, conference, conference. But I got a package in. It's my Christmas present. Is that what it was for, Christmas? My Christmas present that we're going to open up in January here. And it is a very cool box. But I'm excited about this. I wish I had it last night because it would have told me, Robert, get more sleep. Robert, get more sleep. But alas, I did not have it. But I have it now. Crystal got this for me. And it is the one, the only Oura Ring. So, I think she honestly got this for me so I would wear a ring on my finger and look like I'm taken and other girls wouldn't hit on me.
You are taken.
I am taken. But
if other girls are gonna hit on him, you better watch out. Got 2 guns and I'm not afraid to use them.
She's got
3
2 guns.
actually.
But yeah, so that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna get this thing calibrated, read the directions. Not really sure what all that involves, but I'm gonna get this thing figured out and I'll start tracking my sleep data, my HRV, which is heart rate variability, and all the other cool metrics with the Oura Ring. Let me see if it fits first, I guess. Hey, that's what it's supposed to fit like? I guess.
Probably.
Yeah. Pretty good?
Yeah.
So yeah, so I gotta get used to working out with a ring on my hand because I'm not used to that. But I'm excited to have this information, this data, and this swag. So I'll see y'all soon. Alright, y'all, we are headed, or I am headed out to town. I got a whole bunch of errands to run. Gotta go to the post office, drop off a bunch of stuff. Crystal, what's up?
We just have a busy day.
Busy day in the world of us. Let's go check out the crew real quick. See what we have going on here. Oh, let's go lighter. See what we have going on up in here. Whoop! What's going on?
Oh, you got me.
We got some labeling going on here?
Yes, sir. Cinnamon toast.
Y'all having so much fun?
Oh, yeah, so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. Oh, yeah.
Jonathan's in here labeling.
Working my finger muscles.
There you go. Alright, y'all, I am at the mall right now, believe it or not. I went to my uncle's warehouse, picked up a bunch more labels for the bricks, and I'm at the mall to get some clothes because all I have is workout clothes, and I'm going to be going to the Metabolic Health Summit this week. I need to look somewhat presentable because all I wear is workout clothes now. So, trying to find me some jeans that fit me, which is a challenge because I have big thighs and little waist, and that's like, I don't know where to go to find jeans that fit that. So, here we go. Alright, y'all, I am done shopping for the next 3 years. Spent way too much time in there, way too much money. I only go shopping for clothes like once in a blue moon. I got some stuff from Express. I got some stuff from American Eagle. I got some stuff from Dillard's. And I got some stuff from the Foot Locker. So, that concludes my shopping for the next 5 years. Good to go. We just got back in. I'm eating food. Crystal's paying bills, eating my steak with ketchup, and Jonathan is working on being awesome. Alright, y'all, so I got this package in. I'm super excited about it, but I'm not going to let you know what it is because I'm just going to let the suspense fester. So, super excited about this package and what's inside of it, but you're not going to know. So, sorry. Alright, y'all, today is totally gotten away from me. I feel like I've been saying that a lot on the vlogs lately, but I wanted to say why we went to that conference this weekend and kind of what that was all about because I never really concluded what that was. So just to kind of give you some insight, Jessica Ty, she made this conference. She's got a cabin there, so we all kind of got together. It was a very small group, very intimate setting, which I really, really enjoyed. It was basically, I don't know, probably like 10 or 15 women. It started out to be just a women's group, and then she kind of opened it up, but it mostly stayed a women's group. So there was Jimmy Moore and Christine Moore as speakers. There was Crystal and myself as speakers, and then Jessica Ty spoke, and then Molly, who was another nutritional therapist practitioner, spoke as well. But it was super cool because none of the people there had much knowledge about keto. Some of them had no knowledge about keto. So Jessica Ty made a lot of really ornate meals that kind of showcased what you can eat on a ketogenic diet. And then Crystal and I kind of talked about what we've learned in fitness and bodybuilding and how to relate that with what your overall health goals are, independent of whether you ever want to do a competition or not. I read all these comments, y'all. I don't know if y'all recognize that, but I read every single comment, and somebody commented that seems like a very different audience demographic than you're normally working with. And yes, but at the same time, no, because, I mean, honestly, half of my clientele base is probably middle-aged women, believe it or not. Don't know why, but they are. And everything I learn in competitive natural bodybuilding, doing like the extreme, intense, totally far end of the spectrum, like those lessons carry over and can be applied to just day-to-day life, no matter what your goal is. If you just want to lose an extra 5 pounds to be healthy. So I can really relate with people of all ages and all backgrounds. So I like that about this lifestyle. But yeah, anyways, I'm kind of just rambling now. Super fun weekend. Learned a lot. Great connections. Very intimate setting. It was just very one-on-one. Like we would all speak and talk, and then after it was all said and done, we just communicate, socialize, and have fun, get to know each other. So I'm gonna start doing more of those little meetups like that. I think it's very important. And that pretty much concludes today's vlog. Jonathan's here in town, by the way. I don't know if y'all, I think I said that earlier in the clip, didn't I? Jonathan was making bricks today. He was wrapping bricks. So in case y'all haven't known, Jonathan's helping out with some of the social media stuff. He's helping out with the Keto Brick Instagram. Chris and I just need more hands on deck, so he's helping us with that. And then we were short-handed today in the kitchen, so he helped there. What'd you think about it?
It was good, man. Hey, they work hard to make those bricks.
They do work hard.
For sure. It's not a joke.
Yeah. No joke. They were hustling, huh?
Yeah, no, it was fun. It was fun. Good group of guys.
Good group.
And gals.
And gals. All right, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. Take care, toodaloo. Bye-bye. Good night.